friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer's new Swift X 16 laptop with AMD Ryzen 7040 series and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs. So friends, Acer announced the new Acer Swift X 16 designed to bring out one's creativity through a suite of performance-packed features of graphic designing, 3D rendering and video editing. So friends, the Swift X 16 comes in a refined 17.9mm thin design with up to AMD Ryzen 9 7940H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPUs with NVIDIA Studio Drivers to help the take creative project to next level. And it also comes packed with TwinAir cooling system, a larger battery and all the vital connection ports for enhanced productivity. Video calls and streaming have never been better than the RTX laptop utilize 1080p Full HD camera that uses Acer's Temporal noise reduction and it suits of AI technology for clear and crisp videos. And it is offered by the option for a 16-inch 3.2K OLED panel which has VESA DisplayHDR TrueBlack 500 and TÜV Rheinland Eyesafe display certification for comfortable viewing and lifelike image and color accuracy stand out with OLED laptops, 100% DCI P3, brilliant 500 nits, peak brightness, 120Hz refresh rate and less than 0.2 millisecond response time. And friend, you can also maximize two USB Type-C ports, HDMI 2.1 and Wi-Fi 6E for enhanced connectivity. And friend, it will be comes with up to 16GB of LPDDR5 memory, up to 2TB of PCIe Generation 4 SSD storage and micro SD slot for added storage space when achieving creative designs. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at $1,249.99 So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.